Good afternoon and welcome to sunny Lincolnshire. Today we're very pleased to offer this fantastic looking Vauxhall Mokka 1.4 petrol turbo. This is the 140 PS 6-speed manual. Some of the best colours, velvet red metallic. It's combined superbly with the black bumpers, wheel arches and sill mouldings. I'll just take you in first of all to the 18-inch alloys. And just walk down the driver's side of the vehicle. See the rear privacy glass and roof rails. Come to the rear park sensors. I'll just show you the boot area. Good size family boot there, 60-40 split on the rear seats. So we just come to the inside rear. Okay, I'm just taking a close up on the inside rear wheel. All the wheels and tyres are in great condition. And now just show you the rear seating area. This is full leather on the SE. See there, black with the grey insert. Also got a 230-volt plug in the rear. So just walk down the inside now. The car's only done 22,800 miles. There's full history of ourselves. See, I've got the car ticking over to show you daytime moon lights. You'll see front fogs and front sensors as well. And then just take you to the cabin itself. I'll just show you first of all the front leather seats, which are heated. Electric switch there to adjust. We've got front and rear electric windows, heated electric door mirrors which are folding. You see there on the button. Just jump in the vehicle. We've got auto lights and auto wipers. Also trip computer there in the middle, just give you range and MPG. All cruise control. Just go into the middle there, you'll see all Bluetooth. This is DAB radio. As you come down, as I mentioned, heated seats on both sides. Also got a heated steering wheel, really nice feature to have. Aircon plus dual zone climate control, where you set the temperature differently on different sides. A little bit further down, you'll see USB, aux and charging socket. As I mentioned, 6-speed manual and the all important cup holders. As I mentioned, full history of the sales been done 6 times in total. It's got 2 keys and all the books are here and present. So we'll just come out of the vehicle one last look. It will be serviced on purchase. Has got MOT already till December this year and will come with a 6-month nationwide RAC Platinum warranty. If you'd like to know more about this car, you can myself, Tom, and the sales team on 01507 602222 or visit our website www.thompsonsmith.co.uk. Thanks again for viewing.